Hey everyone, welcome back. I came to CVS to grab some of the deals for the sales week of March 28th through April 3rd. I have not came to CVS to coupon in 2 weeks. I'm not going to go over the stuff that I just recently picked up. I burned through my extra care bucks on my first 2 accounts that have not been getting CRTs for as long as I can remember. I think I have like 10 on each one of just random CRTs that I can't really put deals together for. So I decided to just use those CRTs on diapers and nighttime underwear to get back some Ibotta rebates to maybe complete my midweek moneymaker bonus. And then I got some free candy down there. I did get a text message for free Cadberries, and they're buy one get one free, so I think I paid like $1 for 2 of them. And then on the new account that I started, I did actually get CRTs on this one, and even though I haven't couponed in 2 weeks, which probably stopped some of progress of getting some more, I actually got some pretty good ones. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the store and see what I can put together. And then I also got an $8 off a $40 purchase, so I'm going to go ahead and try to use that too, see what we can grab. So the first deal I'm going to grab, the Carefree and the Stay Free this week are spend $12, get $4 in extra care bucks. So I'm going to pick up 4 of these. They're also buy one get one free. So 2 of them will be $4.59, and then the other 2 will be $2.29. All 4 will bring me to $13.77. So I have a $3 off of 3 pads or tampon CRT, and I also have a $3 off of 2 Carefree and a $2 off of 2 Carefree. So all of those should come off, leave me to pay $5.77. I'll get back a $4 extra care buck, making my final cost $1.77 for 4, or 44 cents each. The Suave Mint 2-in-1 this week are 2 for $6, and when you buy 2 you get a $2 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up 2, use 2 of these $1.50 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. In the Google Doc will be the exact insert that it came in. So it's going to take off $3. I'll pay $3, get back a $2 extra care buck, making my cost $1 for both. But I do have an offer on Fetch for 1,000 points back on each one, which is $2, making them free and $1 moneymaker. So Covergirl this week is buy 2, get a $6 extra care buck. I'm going to pick up this Lash Blast Clean Mascara. I got it from right here for $10.79. And then I'm going to pick up this Covergirl blush, which I got down here, for $7.49. Both of these are going to bring me to $17.98. I have a $3 digital for each one of these. That's going to take off $6. I have a 50-cent app only for the mascara. It's going to take off another 50 cents. I have a $3 CoverGirl instant coupon that I got this week. And then I got a 3 off of 15 cosmetics. That's going to take off a total of $12.50. I'll be left to pay $5.48 for both of these. Get back a $6 extra care buck, making these a 52-cent moneymaker. And these also count towards beauty. I'm going to do the cash card deal. It is spend $30, get a $10 cash card, and the Pampers are included this week. So I'm going to pick up 2 of them. I'm going to pick up a size 4 and a size 5 for $9.99. That's going to bring me to $19.98. So I used the $3 off of 1 box right now when I did this transaction that I didn't show you guys, just to burn through those extra care bucks so I could use the cash cards on this new account that I don't have any on. So I'm going to use this. 2 of them worked on 3 of them that I bought, so I think the $3 is attaching to one of the bags, so I'm going to use this on this. And I'm going to pair in 3 of the Pantene that are priced at 3 for $12. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what everything costs in the coupons I'm going to use for this spend 30 get 10. So these 5 products are going to complete my spend 30 get 10. All 5 products are going to bring me to $31.98. I'm going to use this $3 off of 1 for one of these, and I'm going to hope the $3 off of 2 digital comes off. I have this $3 off of 15 Pampers Diapers CRT for these. I have this $2 off of 10 Pantene Aussie Herbal Hair Care, and then I'm going to use this $5 off of 3 that came in the April P&G. So that's going to take off a total of $16, leave me to pay $15.98. I'll get back the $10 cash card, $3 on Ibotta, $1.50 back for each one of these, making my final cost $2.98 for all 5 items. So since I am using other threshold coupons, I have that 8 off of 40, and I'm not at enough money for that to come off of my account. So I'm going to do the Dove deal. This week it is spend $12, get a $4 extra care buck. There was a Shopkick deal that made this a really good deal, even a moneymaker with $1 off coupons that I printed from the Dove website or the emails that they sent me, but that disappeared. So I'm going to only pick up 2. They're $8.49. I'm going to pick up 2 of these. One will be $8.49. One will be $4.24. That's going to bring me to $12.73. I have 2 $1 off of any Dove products that I printed from an email that they sent me. So it's going to take off $2, bring me down to $10.73. I'll get back the $4 extra care buck, making it $6.73 for both of them. But again, like I said, I do have that 8 off of 40, so I'm going to go ahead and cash out with the items that I've already showed you, and then I'll go over the final cost. Okay, I'm going to go over the receipt real quick because it's like 10 minutes till close. There's the 2 Suave Mint, the Pantene, the 2 Pampers, the Dove body wash, the Carefree liners, thong liners, and then the makeup. So the 2 manufacturer coupons for the Suave Mint were not working, so he just gave me a $3 extra care buck. The 3 off of 15 cosmetic wasn't working either, so he printed me a $3 extra care buck down here too. So all of my 8 off of 40 did come off. The $3 off one of the Covergirl products did not come off either, and then the $3 off of one of the Pampers, the 3 off of 2 did not glitch and come off. But everything else did come off. I only had $8 in extra care bucks on this account because this is my new account and I haven't really been couponing lately at CVS. So these are the 2 $3 that he switched out for the Suave Mint manufacturer coupons and then the 3 off of 15 cosmetics. So my subtotal was $28.25. I had the 2 $10 cash cards from 2 of my other accounts that I told you guys. I did these deals right here that I didn't show you. So my subtotal was $28.25. I rolled $8 in extra care bucks. So I spent $36.25 on this account. Subtotal, I had a total savings of $76.90. I got back 4 for the Dove, 2 for the Suave, 10 for the cash card deal, 4 for spending 12 on the Carefree, and then 6 for the Covergirl for a total of $26 back. And then I will get $3 on Ibotta for the Pampers. That brings me up to $29. I will get $3 on Fetch for the Suave. That brings me up to $32. And then I spent $48 in beauty, which will get me a $3 beauty buck, which brings my cash back to $35, makes my final cost $1.25 for all 15 items. That does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.